Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to make a walking BD-1 droid from Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. I'm going to be working on the leg pieces. First, I loaded up Fusion 360 and began making the pieces. These blue pieces here are for the servo motors. I did this so that I could first of all visualize where they're going to be, and also so I can check when they are turning they're not going to get stuck on any of the other pieces. So now that everything's designed, I'm going to print all the pieces. Now that all the pieces are done, I'm going to paint them using red and white paint. Okay, so here is the upper leg pieces printed and painted, and here are all the pieces for the lower leg. These will all go together to look like this. Here is all the pieces fully assembled and put together. The last thing that I need to do is put all the servo motors on. To do this, I printed these servo motor mounts. The servos are going to be screwed in and glued onto the upper leg. So that is everything that we need to get done for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe for the next video on this project or any other projects like this one.